Blessed morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers, how you all doing? You know it's Links 007T to the V. So dancehall recording artist Spice came out and she actually made a statement or a public statement in relation to what happened. She provided in-depth details and stated as it relates to the situation that actually took place. And I can tell her it's just one of those sad and unfortunate situations to have happened to the dancehall entertainer. Well, details surrounding the incident is a bit sketchy at this time. However, many people are still in doubt about what actually transpired, and they are actually stating a number of things that could have contributed to what happened to the dancehall entertainer. So it's a very unfortunate situation to have happened, and it's one of those situations that we've looked on. So here we're just basically passing what appears to be a car accident, as you can see. Seems as if it's an accident happened there, as you can see there. So let's continue with the video. Yeah, so much love and much respect goes out to you as always. So the dancehall entertainer provided the update, and I can tell her that it's just one of those moments where the fans of Spice became so worried about her health and also her well-being. I guess Spice did not even thought that so many people would have been with her and stood by her during this difficult time. It just goes to show you that Spice fan base right now is out of this world. So Spice have a very huge fan base right now, not only in Jamaica but also internationally. Spice fan base is getting huge and huger as the day goes by, and I can tell you that this entertainer is one of our top high-class, high-profile entertainer, and she continues to do her thing. And it's just one of those moments that we just hope that the dancehall entertainer just take this time right now and just actually rest herself and don't really listen to the negative comments that are going on online. She just need to take this time right now and just rest and just do what she have to do in order to get herself back in full shape. So as most of you might have known, she made a post on her Instagram account, and I have not provided the official report on that yet. I'm going to do a report on that very soon and give you more in-depth details as it relates to what actually happened as stated by her. And it's just one of those things as well. However, despite that, she's doing much better, and I can say that she will be back in good form very soon, hopefully, because it's not clear about how her state is at this point in time. And even though there have been so many rumors swirling online and so many speculation as it relates to what happened to the DJ, and it's just one of those things that people just try to just imagine and wonder what could have happened to her. And she have gotten a real backlash from many in a positive way, and it's one of those things that many people just can't even begin to comprehend what the entertainer is going through, because one have to imagine, she's a human, she have feelings. And even though people might make certain comments, because in the initial stage certain people are actually bashing her, and a whole lot of people are talking about the surgeries and so forth, and some of them are not in support. Whether or not this actually was caused from a surgery, it's still unknown. However, that was the rumor circulating online about surgery, and then everything that started to go downhill with a lot of other rumors beginning to circulate in relation to her getting a heart attack and so much things. I can tell you, the rumors were just overwhelming in relation to that. But the entertainer right now is doing pretty fine, and we just hope that her health continues to improve. And even though at this point in time we are not really sure the state that she's in, we just have to hope for the best. The fact that posts now have been made on her social media platform, meaning that there must be some level of improvement, even though you still have people out there doubting the fact that these posts were actually made from Spice. We know that a number of her events have been cancelled in the Cayman Islands, I believe, and in Canada and United States. So there are a number of events that supposed to would have hosted the dancehall entertainer, including one by the name of Tape Measure, I believe it was. Yeah, Tape Measure. That was a massive event that was slated for Spice to perform as well, and then that had to be cancelled based on the medical complication that Spice underwent. So it is some of those things that really right now is going on in relation to the case itself. But all I can say is that we just wish her all the best, and fans Spice right now really just need to just take this time to rest, recompose herself, and just try her very best to do what she have to do in order just to get back herself in full form and in full shape. So it's a beautiful Thursday morning, and we're just out here as always, viewer subs. So just taking it one day at a time. So whatever you do today, just stay blessed, be good, and just continue to be the wonderful person that you are. We know there's so much thing going on in the world right now and so many issues. But guess what? Once you have life, you have hope. And once you have hope, you can do what you want. So much love, much respect goes out to you, the viewers, as always. And just continue to do what you have to do. Alright? Peace out and bless. Links TV signing out.